Unlock the perfect gift without breaking the bank, all thanks to Afterpay. So, how exactly do you snag those coveted gift cards using Afterpay's flexible payment plans? It's simpler than you think. First, you'll want to head to retailers where you know Afterpay is an accepted payment method. Many of your favorite stores, from fashion boutiques to electronics giants, offer Afterpay at checkout. Once you're on a participating retailer's site, navigate to their gift card section. You'll usually find this clearly marked. Browse through the available gift card denominations and think about who you're shopping for and their preferences, whether it's a specific amount or a popular retailer. There's a gift card for everyone. After you've selected the perfect gift card, add it to your virtual shopping cart. When you're ready to finalize your purchase, proceed to checkout as you normally would. This is where the magic of Afterpay comes into play. At the checkout page, you'll see a list of payment methods. Look for the Afterpay option and select it. You'll then be prompted to log into your Afterpay account or create a new one if you haven't already. Afterpay will then present you with your payment schedule. Typically, this means you'll pay the first installment upfront, and the remaining balance will be split into 3 equal, interest-free installments, due every 2 weeks. It's that easy to spread the cost. Once you confirm the Afterpay payment plan, your gift card purchase is complete. You'll receive your digital or physical gift card, and you can start planning your next purchase with Afterpay. Happy gifting!